Hey there! Today we'll be going over how to connect ChatGPT and Claude to Vocci AI. This is our documentation page. You can access it at docs.vocci.ai. This page will have all of our latest details on how to use and integrate our AI systems. So we have 4 setup guides for ChatGPT, Claude, Claude Code, and Codex. If you want to connect any other non-listed service, you can follow the instructions here in Quick Start. Now, let's get into our ChatGPT and Claude guides. So, step 1, go to Plugins, and now search Vocci. Let's add it, and it'll ask us to log in on Vocci and to allow ChatGPT to access our information. We click Allow. And now Vocci is installed. Let's try it. Remember to always add Vocci in your message request. There we go. It has shown us our latest Vocci sessions. Now let's try Claude. Here we go to Customize, Connectors, and Browse Connectors. We search for Vocci and click Add. Now let's try it. There you go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great time using Vocci AI Ring.